Okay, we go to another company that released a second quarter report. But incidentally, this is one of the companies that people really shy away from in the market. Living Trust Mortgage Bank PSC. Is there a debt trust? Most of these mortgage companies,
They always
they are
living.
either living or infinity or
And they are
whatever,
trust.
and they are trust. But market seems not to be trusting them. In the case of Living Trust, 68.62% was what was reported in the second quarter, and their bottom line was showing a growth of 58.83%. Earning per share for last year was 6 kobo. It grew to 10 kobo. Now, at a price of 1 naira 20 kobo, PE ratio of the company as at the second quarter 2022 is 12.25%, which is not bad if you want to just consider what it could be at year end. We'll be talking something slightly above 6,
Yeah.
which will be a good report, all things being equal. The earnings yield is 8.16% in a tight economy as we have in Nigeria. But Aruna, this is what we are saying. Good result, 43.72% in profit margin. There is something in the mortgage business, but Nigerians are not looking at it. Shouldn't it be in a situation whereby instead of you investing directly in real estate business, whereby you might not readily have the money, shouldn't you just hide under these companies that have well over 1.119 billion in the half year and still be doing real estate business under them? Shouldn't that be the practice? Should mortgage banks listed on the NGX be seeing zero price performance? Like we talk of this one is Living Trust. Okay, Living Trust is just there at what price? 1 naira 20 kobo. Even at 1 naira 20 kobo, the indicators are saying that the price is too high and it is flat. Why is this so?
You know, one of the things, like for Living Trust is listed on the growth board. A number of people have even filtered their, especially capital market operators, have filtered their trading agent that shows only the main board and the premium board. So attention is actually not too given to Living Trust and the board that it is listed. One of the things I also see again about this mortgage bank is that a number of people, instead of even going to mortgage, we even prefer to go and invest directly with this estate industry. Chances are that maybe because of the charges that are involved. And because of that, their returns to the market is not encouraging. Because if you look at it from 6 kobo to 10 kobo, the question is, assuming that this is their end of the year, how much will they be paid from 10 kobo? And the number of investors that are coming to the market, like I said, they are not friends to companies. They are coming there for their benefits. What, like we call it Wi-Fi, what is in it for me? What is in it for me? If I put my money in Living Trust, what will I get at the end of the day? And by the time you put your money there, 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years, and you look at the opportunity cost, if you have put the same money in banking sector, you have put the same money in pharmaceutical sector, wouldn't it have returned higher than this? So you have your choice to make, and that is why people are shy away from them.
And let me quickly say this, just to respond to one casual statement that Aruna just made now, that some people will prefer to go direct with some of this real estate, private real estate. Please be careful. Somebody was discussing with me earlier today, and we spent time together. He went into one company, not real estate this time, relating to agriculture or whatever partnership. Sincerely, he told me he has well over 100 million invested, locked up in there. He said for the first 3 years they were doing well. They will always do well. Ponzi schemes will always do well. First year, they will do well. Second year, they will do well. To invite more people and to further entice you, such that the returns they are giving to you, you will be tempted to return it back there. But ultimately, without you having a good understanding of what they are doing, that is one. Number two, there is no ombudsman that will help you recover your money in case of crisis like his own. Please be careful. If you bring your money to equity, this is Aruna here. If anything happens and there is a story, you have number one, the Securities and Exchange Commission. Number two, you have the NGS. Number three,
CIS.
You have Chartered Institute of number four.
Ashon.
You have number five. You have the Investment and Securities Tribunal. Don't say I told you. Malam Garba Kofi is a judge in the capital market. You get the point now. There are ways without even you calling police. So the next time a stockbroker collected your money or you have issues, you have Malam Garba Kofi's number on this channel. Please call him. He's a judge there. He will be able to lead you.
So, another thing that, we are always carried away with their promises, especially this Ilaya period, buy one plot of land and get a ram, or get a ram and a bag of rice. Not knowing that it's from your money that they buy you the ram and a bag of rice. At the end of the day, you lose all your investments.
Please shine your eye.